Verbs. A verb is a word that tells us about an action or state. Verbs show what a person, animal, or thing does, or what happens. Examples: the cat runs. She is happy. Main verbs. The main verb, or principal verb, is the verb that tells what the subject does or what happens to the subject. It can stand alone in a sentence. Examples: he sings well. They play football. Helping verbs. A helping verb, or auxiliary verb, helps the main verb to show the tense, mood, or voice of the sentence. It cannot stand alone and always works with a main verb. Examples: she is running fast. They have eaten lunch. Common helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, do, does, did, will, shall, can, could, may, might. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Transitive verbs. These verbs need an object to complete their meaning. They tell what the action is done to. Example: she kicked the ball. The action kicked is done to the object ball. Intransitive verbs. These verbs do not need an object to complete their meaning. They express actions that stand on their own. Example: the baby cried. There is no object needed after cried. Summary: verb, action or state word run, sing. Main verb, the main action or state, for example, run, eat. Helping verb, supports the main verb, for example, is running, has eaten. Transitive verb, needs an object, for example, play the game. Intransitive verb, no object needed, for example, sleep, cry.